What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up State Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit at nighttime, evening time. I'm going to show you how to get some nice little portraits with Cheyenne. She is back with me again, and we're just going to go ahead and just knock this out. As you can see, I'm losing light really quickly. We've already been shooting a little bit earlier, so this video is going to be super duper quick. I've already set my ambient the way I wanted. I'm just going to use a tad bit of flash because, as you know, I'm using the AD600, which is a little bit thing. I could use a modeling light, which I did not bring out here with me today. So we're just going to use flash to the very the lowest power as possible, and we're just going to do a couple looks here. I mean, not a couple looks. So she got this nice look going on with the dress and the dunks on. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go get to it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, she's getting low with it this time. 1, 2, 3. Getting low with it. 1, 2, and 3. All right, I like that. You say you can't. Uh-oh. You gotta learn how to sit flat flip. Yeah. Like. There you go. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Stay right there. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. I'm gonna get this angle right here. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. I'm gonna scoot back. Get the whole leg. 1, 2, and 3. Stay there. 1, 2. Yes, sir. Gangster with it. What? Hit you with your gangster pose. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. What? Hit you with the gangster pose. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold that. 1, 2, and 3. Keep your mouth relaxed. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Hold that. 1, 2. You did not hold that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, and 3. Take a chill. Take a chill. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Hold that look right there. I like that. I'm gonna change my angle a tad bit though. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come up. Come. Wait. Where are you going at? Right there. Right there. Hang on. Come back. I'm gonna cut this down just a tad bit. Yeah. Where are you going at, bro? Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. What are you, Captain Morgan? I said, what are you, Captain Morgan? 1, 2, 3. I forgot to do that. All right, here we go. Like that. I like that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you didn't hold it. What is wrong with you not holding my poses? There you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Take a chill. Take a chill. Take a chill. Take a chill. Just like that, thank you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like it, hold on, I'm gonna get a full body. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On your tiptoes, no, just on your tiptoes. Yeah, you can cross it like that, just on your tiptoes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, guys, we are now finally done, bro. I'm sorry that you didn't get a whole lot of talking on that one, but like I said, it was going to be really quick simply because we was just losing light super duper quickly. As you can see in those photos, definitely those ones at the very end, I went ahead and stopped that down and went ahead to F4 just because I just want to get a different look of the background. That's the reason why I went ahead and stopped down to F4. But the rest of them was at f1.4, of course, because I just like blowing out that background, because I like bokeh, I like isolation subjects, man. That's what portraits are. I ain't gonna say what a portrait is all about, but I like doing a little bit of both. But that's the reason why. Sorry, it's a little bit loud, guys. It's motorcycles, everything else all over the place. So, but until the next, well, of course, Cheyenne's back here. She's talking to the live right now. And of course, if you want to work with all the stuff, it's going down to the description box below. Of course, you would have popped on the screen by now. Until the next video, peace.